In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Metrobank to GCash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link your GCash account to Metrobank and how to initiate a transfer between them. So to do this, you will have to use the Send Money option. So use the shortcut on the home screen of the Metrobank app or choose Send Money at the bottom here. When you select Send Money, you will be able to confirm and initiate this process. So first, you have to choose the source of this transfer. So from which account the money will be transferred. Then you input the amount here. And after the amount and the account have been selected, you need to choose the recipient. In this case, it's going to be the GCash account that you will be transferring into. So choose the recipient and select Unenrolled account if you have never used the GCash account before inside of Metrobank. Choose between individual or organization, and finally, on the bank option, find GCash. So when you tap this option here, you will be able to use the search function or scroll through all of the options until you find GCash. So select GCash from the list of banks and you will be able to proceed. So you will have the option to enter all of the necessary details like the account number. Then you have your first name, last name, mobile number, and so on. So input all of the details about the recipient. Once all of these details have been filled out, you will choose the transfer service. So they offer InstaPay and PesoNet. Each of these will have different transaction fees, so one can be more expensive than the others. However, they will have different features. You should carefully take your time and read through all of these. Sadly, there's no one that I would recommend more than the other, so it's up to you, depending on the fee attached and how urgent this transfer needs to be done. After you select everything, you can review all of the details, the account that you selected, the amount, the fee, and the recipient's account. If everything looks okay, confirm and it will be transferred to GCash or any other bank that you chose. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Metrobank to GCash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.